Hello dear students of class 1. Today we will be doing the chapter Fruits and Vegetables, National Symbols of India and Good Manners and Bad Manners, which is in your GK book. So all of you get you ready with GK book and just take out the given chapter. Now we will read page number 18, chapter Fruits and Vegetables. Look carefully at the fruits and vegetables given below. Match each one with the tree or the plant from which it comes. First है corn. Corn match with the corn plant. B. corn को मैच करेंगे प्लांट से बी से. नेक्स्ट एप्पल. एप्पल को मैच करेंगे एप्पल ट्री ए. नेक्स्ट लेमन. लेमन को मैच करेंगे डी से. नेक्स्ट बनाना को मैच करेंगे बनाना ट्री ई. नेक्स्ट पोटैटो को मैच करेंगे पोटैटो प्लांट से एफ. और लास्ट है ग्रेप्स. ग्रेप्स को मैच करेंगे सी. ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 19. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर नेशनल सिंबल्स ऑफ इंडिया. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I talk to you about what are national symbols. National symbols are signs, marks or objects for which a country is known, and every country has its national symbols, and India too is having its own national symbols, and in this chapter we will discussing few of them. So let us read the questions. Choose the correct options for the statement given below. First statement is Dash is the national capital of India. Options are New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. So correct answer is New Delhi. So you have to fill this correct option in this given below, and complete statement will be New Delhi is the national capital of India. Now, second statement is the chakra wheel that appears at the center of your or national flag is dash. Options are white, green, blue. So, correct answer is blue. Complete statement will be the chakra wheel that appears at the center of our national flag is blue. Now, third statement is the national anthem of India is dash. Options are सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, वंदे मातरम, जनगण मन. So correct answer is जनगण मन. Complete statement will be the national anthem of India is Jan Gan Man. Fourth statement is the national emblem of India consists of dash lines. Options are 3, 4, 5. Correct answer 4. So complete statement will be the national emblem of India consists of 4 lines. Next, fifth statement is dash is the official name of India in Hindi. What is the official name of India in Hindi? What do we call India in Hindi? Options are Hindustan, Bharat, Hind Desh. So correct answer is Bharat. Complete statement will be Bharat is the official name of India in Hindi. So dear student, I hope you must have you seen the national flag. Next, so dear student, next dash is the symbol of the rupee, the currency of India. Options are Re for rupees, next RS, INR. So correct answer is Re, rupees. So complete statement will be R for rupees is the symbol for the rupee, the currency of India. So dear student, I hope you have understood the given national symbols of India in this chapter. Next, page number 20. Chapter Good Manners, Bad Manners. Choose the correct words from the help box. पहला है when you are asking for something you should say please. Next, when someone gives you something you should say thank you. Next, when you drop something or break something by mistake you should say sorry. When you want someone's attention you should say excuse me. Look at the picture given below. Draw happy sign or for the pictures showing good manner. Draw sad for the pictures showing bad manners. First, you always wash your hands before having your meal. Good manner. Now next, you play basketball inside the house. Bad manner. Third, you share your toys with your friends. Bad manner. So, good manner. Next, you keep your room untidy. Bad manner. Okay students, thank you.